While crowds nationwide celebrate a victory for same-sex couples, the Supreme Court decision will not have an immediate effect in every corner of the United States, and couples who manage to get married may encounter other difficulties.
In many, many states across our nation, you can get married to your same-sex partner on Sunday, and on Monday show up with a picture from your wedding and get fired just for being LGBTQ.
Texas Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick believes the High Court's decision violates the U.S. Constitution.
It's up to the people of the state to make that decision. So if those other states want to recognize gay marriage, that's their right. I may disagree with them, but that's their right. We have a right also, and now our rights are being overrun.
Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton said the High Court's decision did not overrule constitutional rights of religious liberty. In a letter to Lieutenant Governor Patrick on Sunday, he wrote that clerks responsible for issuing marriage licenses are free to delegate their duty to assistants, rather than be forced to violate their own religious beliefs. Similarly, he said judges and justices of the peace are not obliged to conduct same-sex weddings as long as there are priests, rabbis, and other officials legally able and willing to officiate these ceremonies. Civil rights activists disagree.
On Friday morning, our nation and the world took a giant step forward in becoming more just and a more equal country. But what's clear is that our work is far from over. The theatrics of Texas Attorney General Paxton, who has blatantly encouraged state officials to defy the highest court in the land, is evidence of that very fact. This ruling could not be more clear, and public servants, including clerks, should serve the entire public. It's that simple.
The Supreme Court ruled Friday that the constitutional rights to due process and equal protection overrule attempts by individual states to outlaw same-sex marriages. Zlatica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.